how to record a WhatsApp video call. So for example, you can simply open up your WhatsApp application, and after opening, if you simply go to a random chat, and then if you simply start a conversation or simply be in a call with someone on a video call, and after being on that call, if you want to record that call, then what you can do is you can simply scroll down, like scroll bottom side, and here you can have a screen record option. You can simply go for screen record, and you have to simply start the screen recording. And under the screen recording, you have to do some settings so that you can record your voice also. And after starting your screen record, your call will be recorded, and after recording, you can simply take that time of till when you would like to record that call, and after recording, you can simply stop that recording by again going for that screen recording and simply tap on that, and it will stop recording. That's it. That's how you record video call on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.